Yeah, hi, good morning, good evening, good afternoon, wherever you are. And today I am picking up a very, very hot topic, which is AI Chat GPT. Everybody wants to use Chat GPT, and people are using Chat GPT, but there is a problem. Like, we can only use Chat GPT 3.5. If we want to get updated results, then we have to go to this. Then we are paying $20 per month, but I will tell you one simple trick. We will not be paying even a single penny, and still the response and the answers that we will be getting or we will get will be from Chat GPT 4. So let's start the magic. So now this is Chat GPT 3.5, and on this I asked a simple question. uh, it is not updated, so this is the answer it has given regarding the top 10 mobile companies. So now here is the magic. So what you need to do, you just need to do simple thing. You just need to open up Microsoft Edge, right, like this, and now I will type bing.com. Okay, so this is, now I will go to chat with the new Bing. So first of all, see on the top, the magic is here. So it says Bing chat with GPT-4, right? So now I will ask the same question, top 10 companies, top 10 mobile company, boom, and see the magic. So this time it will give the like updated answer. You can see top 10 mobile companies 2023. It is giving updated and exact information along with the percentage in the market. So you can see Vivo is sitting on the top with Samsung, then Realme, and Apple is at number 7. Okay, so this is the best way to use the Chat GPT-4. You don't need to pay a single penny. You just need to open a Edge, and then you need to go to bing.com. And when you go to bing.com, make sure you are signed with your Microsoft account. You have to sign in with your Microsoft account. I'm already signed in. So now whatever question I will throw to Chat GPT, it will be answered by Chat GPT-4. So this is the best way. So we are not restricted to the old Chat GPT, which cannot give the latest or most updated answer. So that's how you can use Chat GPT-4 on your Windows PC, Mac, free of cost. On the Mac, you just need to install the Edge browser on the Mac. Then you just need to sign up. You need to create an account. That is simple. With your you need to sign up or create an email. And after that, once you are signed in, if you will start chat, I will open it one more time. So Microsoft Edge, and I will go to bing.com, and I will do this chat. So now, but we are logged in, we are chatting, and whatever chat I will throw to the GPT, it will be answered by Chat GPT-4. So I saved your $20 a month. So thank you so much. Stay safe, stay blessed, and I will come up with another useful video soon. Thank you.